What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer or send crypto from Phantom Wallet to Binance. So if you're wondering how to do so, this one is pretty easy. So first things first is you want to get the address for your Binance account. So go ahead and go to Binance.com, log in into your account, and you want to go and click on deposit at the very top right here. Now since we want to transfer crypto, let's go and click on deposit crypto. Now, you want to go and select the crypto that you want to receive. Like, for example, maybe I want to receive Solana here. Let's go ahead and just type in Sol or Solana and choose it. Now, you want to choose your network. So, in my case, maybe I want to use the Solana network. Now, also, in this case, you want to go ahead and basically copy your address and also remember the network that you're using. So networks are going to be really important. This actually determines if your transaction is going to be a success. So if you're not using the same network on your transaction later on, this will result in a loss. So you won't be able to recover your crypto. But again, remember your network. Now from here, you want to go and open up or access your Phantom Wallet. Let's go ahead and provide our login details. Now in here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and click on the send button I see under Phantom Wallet. And let's go and choose Solana. Now from here, we want to go ahead and specify the amount that you want to send here. The address and the amount that you want to send. So this is an example. Maybe I want to say 0.3 here. But in this case, you could go ahead and click on next here. Now, from here on, it's going to ask you a few things like what network fee, or confirm a few things. Now, by the way, by default, it's going to use the Solana network. That's why we use the Solana network. But before proceeding with the transaction, again, review the whole details here just to be sure. But yeah, so once you've reviewed the details, just click on send here, confirm it. And typically, it will take around a few seconds or a few minutes in order for your transaction to complete. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.